guess you could say I'm an archetypal zoomer. All I want to do is living life on my own terms and seeing as much of the world as possible. And in my experience, life is not always rosy. Reality is thorny.
You think studying English is tough? Have you ever had a job interview in English? You better bring your A game and show the recruiter what you're made of. Things don't always go the way you want them to. Simply because I couldn't speak fluent English.
I've been working hard on an environmental conservation project, but sometimes hard work isn't enough. The success of my project hinges heavily on how well I can make myself understood in English.
I need a reboot. I need something so fresh and new and fun that it restores the joy in learning.
But I could use some help from a veteran and a conducive learning environment.
I can accomplish anything, provided that I have a partner.
Nếu các bạn đặt mục tiêu đúng, nó sẽ giúp cho các bạn có động lực trong quá trình học. Và chúng ta cũng biết được là bản thân.
We're ready to change. In the same way that a tree requires sunlight, air, and water to grow, so does a student require a friendly, pleasant, and favorable environment to thrive.
A capable teacher can not only impart a wealth of knowledge, but also build confidence in the students.
On the arduous journey of learning a new language, having a companion is a wonderful thing. I always feel motivated and ready to conquer new heights. As long as you have the help you need, you can rise above any challenges.
When I'm encouraged to share about my passion, I can be myself. Breaking the language barrier has really boosted my confidence.
As long as I believe in myself, no mountains too high, no rivers too wide, and no employers too hard to win over. I return to prove myself and change their mind.
I know what to write and how to sell myself effectively, and ultimately convince the sponsors to share my vision.
Nothing can beat the feeling of being able to speak your mind, taking pride in your work, and sharing the stage with the teacher.
Our paths may differ, but we share the very same idea that language is the gateway to the future.
We are members of Gen E, a dynamic and creative generation.
Gen E, define English, create yourself.